Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel and thank you for revisiting and checking all my video updates. I really appreciate your support. Today in this video, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold. First we'll look at the economic calendar, then dollar index, then we'll go forward and do the technical analysis in gold. We'll start from the daily time frame to 5 minutes time frame and we'll be sharing you the support and resistance levels and the trend of the current market, based on which you can decide your entry and exit on your trades. Let us start with the analysis. I'm in economic calendar now. When we look at the high impacting news for today, at 12:30 p.m. we have high impacting news for British pound. Then as we come down, at 7 p.m. we have Canadian dollar high impacting news. At 7:40 p.m. we have medium impacting news for US dollar. Then at 9 p.m. we have medium impacting news for US dollar. So there are medium impacting news and high impacting news for US dollar, and we have high impacting news for British pound. So request you to plan your trades based on this news calendar. Don't enter the market on a wrong time. Let us look at dollar index. I'm in dollar index hourly time frame now. When we look at the price action in dollar index, we clearly notice that the price got rejected at the resistance level of 96.304 and it is in a retracement. But overall, when we look at the price action, it is still in a bullish trend, respecting this trend line or the support line. So currently the price action from this level, it is on a retracement and we can expect it to test this support level between 95.865. Only when the price action breaks this support level of 95.225, we can say that bearish trend reversal has happened. Currently it is in a very good bullish trend. Let us start the technical analysis for gold. I'm in daily time frame in gold now. When we look at the price action in gold, you can notice that it has gone up to the level of 1878 and the body closed near the level of 1871. So from this price action we understand that the price couldn't sustain at this resistance level of 1878 and the price is on a retracement and it has retraced up to the level of 1844. So both the direction it has given a spike. So when we look at only this one single candle, we can understand that there is no direction in the market. It wants to come down and also it wants to go on the bullish side. So when we compare the current price action with the past price action, we can notice that previously the price got rejected or the trend reversal happened nearer to the level of 1878. We can notice that a consolidation happened, then a trend reversal happened. So we can expect a similar pattern being formed over here. Currently it has formed a red candle and we can expect a consolidation to happen around here, then to have a bearish trend reversal, because we have noticed that the bullishness has become weaker and the price couldn't sustain at this resistance level of 1878. Currently the price action is taking support on the symmetric triangle pattern support line, and it is trading within the 70% and 60% Fibonacci's retracement level. It has to break this support level in order to start its bearish trend reversal. Let us do the analysis in 4 hours time frame. I am in 4 hours time frame now. When we look at the price action in 4 hours time frame, we can clearly notice that a spike or a wick has been formed and touching the level of 1844. So we have the confirmation that price want to come down on a bearish side. But on the bullish side also, when we notice, it has gone higher than the previous high to the level of 1878, but the price couldn't sustain at this level. And we have noticed a very sharp fall from this level. So this resistance level of 1878 will be acting as a very strong resistance for the future price actions also. And when we look at the current price action, we know that this area between this resistance line and the support line will be acting as a very strong support, and currently also the price action has taken support on this secondary support line of this channel pattern, and it is still holding its bullish trend. Only when the price action breaks this support level of 1844, we can expect a bearish trend reversal. Still, the price action is trading between this support level of 1849 and the resistance level of 1878. And as long as this channel pattern is holding, we can expect a sideways market or the bullish market to continue. Let us mark the support and resistance level. So the values marked in green color boxes are the support and resistance levels in 4 hours time frame. Currently the price action is taking support on the support level of 1849. If it manages to break this support level, we can expect it to test the next level of support, which is going to be around 1831. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I'm in hourly time frame now. When we look at the past price action in hourly time frame, the price was trading within this channel pattern or the support line, and it started its bullish trend, breaking this resistance level and tested this resistance line from the 4 hours time frame and bounced back and took support on this from the daily time frame and went on a very nice bullish trend. It has bounced back on the bearish trend from the level of 1878, and it is in a very nice bearish trend. And currently also, when we notice the price action, it is taking support on this bullish channel pattern resistance line or the support line. So this area between 1849 and 1845 is currently acting as a very strong support for the current price action. The price action has to break this support level in order to continue its bearish trend. And if the price action doesn't manage to break these support levels, we can expect a sideways market to continue or even to start on a bullish trend. Only when the price action breaks these support levels, we can expect a bearish trend reversal. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within the green color boxes are the support and resistance levels for hourly time frame. Currently the price action is consolidating or taking support on this hourly time frame channel pattern resistance line. Let us wait and see if the price action breaches these support levels. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I'm in 30 minutes time frame now. Here we can clearly notice that the price action is taking support on this hourly time frame channel pattern resistance line or the support line, and it is moving on a sideways. So this level between 1844 and 1849 will be acting as a very strong support for the current price action. Only when the price action breaks this support level, we can expect a further fall in this currency pair. Otherwise, we can expect a sideways market or a bullish trend reversal also. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values in green color boxes are the support and resistance levels in 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is in a sideways market. Let us wait and see if the price action breaks this higher time frame support levels. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame now. When we look at the price action in 5 minutes time frame, you can clearly notice that it is forming into a symmetric triangle pattern, which means that there is no direction in the price action for now, and it is moving on a sideways. But looking at the price action, price has tested this level several times and it couldn't manage to break this support line or the trend line, and it is on a bullish trend, again retesting on this trend line or the support line. Only when the price action breaks this support level of 1845, we can expect a bearish trend reversal to happen in this currency pair. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values in green color boxes are the support and resistance levels in 5 minutes time frame. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.